Hey everyone, welcome to the channel again. So today we'll see how we can create this kind of beautiful infographic just by typing. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Let's see how you can create the infographics in different steps. Step number 1, go to pictochart.com. I'll give that link in the description. So once you are here, click on sign up. Sign up with your Google account. So here you'll be asked few survey type of questions. So just select anything that matches. Step number 2, select the infographics. So once you are logged in, you will see different kind of tools out there. Since we'll be doing only the infographics, click on infographics. You will see a bunch of infographics template here. Now step number 3, create the infographic. So once you are on that page, you will see that button. So click on that button where it says generate AI infographic. Type anything. Click hit generate infographic. Boom, it has created your desired infographic. See how professional this is. So you can choose template from here if you don't like this. For example, I want to do maybe like this. So I'll click here. You will see the design is there. Isn't it great? Now you have the infographic. Now how you will edit this? That's our next step. Edit your infographic. So click on edit this infographic button. Click on the text to edit any kind of text. So you'll have some images over there. If you need to replace your image, first of all go to my upload. So you can just upload your image. Let me just upload one. So ignore the images, I just uploaded any random images that I had. Click the images and drag and drop to the image where you want to change, like this. Great. So once you're done, click on preview. See all the changes including your images there. Next step is how you can download the infographic. To download the infographic, click on download. Click the format that you want, click the quality that you want, and then hit download. So as you can see, only 2 downloads are available for the free versions. So if you need to download more, you'll need to update. So I'd recommend give it a try. If you think it meets your needs or requirement, go ahead and upgrade it. So you can also generate infographics from your text as well. So this text AI has generated for me once I typed the topic, right? But if you have the existing text, you can do so as well. So next step is how you can create infographics from your own text. Click on home. Again, click on infographic. Click generate AI infographic. So here you can see upload your own document. So click here, just paste your text or upload the PDF or a Word file or a text file, whatever you have. Just paste it here and then click on generate. It will also generate nice, beautifully designed infographic for your text.